Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Learn English Moments.
Yes, today is day 18 of our 30-day English challenge.
We are so happy you're here. And if you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join us every day to improve your English.
Exactly. In today's episode, we will learn different ways to say thank you. Not just the usual thank you, but many other natural expressions you can use in real life.
Part 1. The basic forms.
Let's start simple. The most common phrase is just thank you.
Right. But sometimes, instead of thank you, people just say thanks. That's shorter and more casual.
For example, imagine this. You drop your pen and your friend picks it up. You can say thanks.
Or you're at a cafe. The barista gives you your coffee. You say thank you.
Exactly. And if you want to add more emotion, you can say thank you very much or thanks a lot.
But be careful. Thanks a lot can sound sarcastic if your tone is angry.
Yes, like if someone breaks your phone and you say, "Oh, thanks a lot." That's not real gratitude, it's sarcasm. So tone of voice is very important when you say thank you.
Part 2. Formal expressions.
Now let's imagine a more formal situation. Maybe you're at work or writing an email.
Yes, in those cases you can say, I really appreciate it. That's polite and professional.
For example, I really appreciate your help with the report.
Another one is, I'm grateful. Example, I'm grateful for your support during the meeting.
That sounds very respectful.
There's also much obliged.
Yes, but that's a little old-fashioned, right?
True. You don't hear it often today, but it's still polite. You may hear it in movies, especially British ones.
Another good one is many thanks. It's short, but often used in emails.
Yes. Example, many thanks for your quick response.
Part 3. Casual and friendly ways.
Okay, let's switch to casual and friendly phrases.
One of my favorites is thanks a bunch.
Ha, yes. Example, thanks a bunch for carrying my bag.
Another one is thanks a million. That sounds big, like you're very thankful.
Yes, and some people also say thanks heaps or thanks loads.
That's more common in British or Australian English.
True. And another casual one is thanks a ton.
Yes, you can say, thanks a ton for helping me with my homework.
These expressions are all friendly and warm.
Part 4. Creative and fun expressions.
Do you know some fun or playful ways to say thank you?
Yes. One funny one is thanks a latte. It's like thanks a lot, but with coffee humor.
Nice. Another playful one is thanks a bunch of bananas.
Yes, people sometimes add silly words just to make it fun.
Another creative one is thanks a ton, you're a lifesaver.
That's a good one when someone really rescues you from a big problem.
Also, sometimes kids or young people just say, thanks a zillion. It's not real, but it sounds fun.
Right, it exaggerates the gratitude. Part 5. Role play practice.
Okay, let's practice with short role plays.
Good idea. Let's pretend you let me your umbrella.
Here you go.
Thanks a lot. You're a lifesaver.
No problem. Anytime.
Another example, you explained my homework.
I really appreciate your help.
My pleasure.
See, many ways to express thanks and responses.
Part 6. Responding to thank you.
Yes, because it's not just about saying thank you, it's also about responding naturally.
The most common is you're welcome, but you can also say no problem or don't mention it.
Another nice one is my pleasure.
Yes, and also anytime. That shows you're willing to help again.
So, don't just stop at thank you. Learn how to respond too.
So, today we explored many different ways to say thank you, from basic to formal to casual to funny.
And we also learned how to respond politely when someone thanks us.
Don't forget to practice these in your daily conversations.
And if you enjoyed this lesson, please hit the subscribe button so you never miss our future episodes.
See you tomorrow on Learn English Moments.